Good morning, my loves. Welcome to Corfu. Yeah, I'm on the family holiday to Corfu. Excuse me if my bronzer looks a bit patchy. I absolutely packed it on to make myself look a little bit less ill because I was just in Portugal for a week with my girls. We went to Albufeira, or Albufeira, I'm not sure how it's said, and we had a really fun time. We went out, we had lots of food, and it was sunbathed, and it was really, really good. But I also got ill. I seem to be getting these respiratory problems every time I travel. I got it in St. Lucia as well, I don't know if you guys remember. So I think next time I travel, I'm gonna have to go like full Naomi Campbell and like Dettol everything around me, because I cannot be getting ill on holiday again. It's driving me crazy. But anyway, so I've obviously brought a little bit of that to Corfu, hence why I have bronzed up my pale ill face. But I wanted to just vlog the first day in Corfu. I rarely vlog the kind of family summer holiday because obviously it's time to just spend with the family and chill, and mostly we do a lot of lying around and reading, so it's not a lot to vlog anyway. But I thought I would show you the villa here because it's so gorgeous. This is our first time we've been here. We usually go to Mallorca, to a villa there, but we thought it was time to just switch it up a little bit, so we're in Corfu. Yeah, I thought I would just show you around a little bit and just chill. Unfortunately, my friends are stranded in Barcelona. Two of my friends, Emily and Catherine, are supposed to be here with me. They were also in Portugal and they had the time to also come to Corfu, which is amazing. But they are stranded in Barcelona. There's a lot of airport strikes. I won't go into the ins and outs, but I am really a bit sad about it today. So I'm also vlogging as a distraction. But anyway, I'm also, as you can see, as you may be able to tell, absolutely decked out in Misoma, and I just wanted to show you guys some of them. This part of the video is sponsored by Misoma, but I would want to show you anything they send me anyway because I absolutely love their stuff. So yeah, I've just been trying on all my new pieces. Didn't have lots of time to do that before I left for Corfu. It was a bit of a rush. So I'm wearing 4 necklaces here, and 3 of them are obviously matching. We've got the lariat one, which is this one, which makes it the perfect layering necklace with something like this. This is the pendant. I think these are part of the Lena collection. So yeah, so we've got the lariat, the pendant, and then the choker as well, which I think is one of my favourite pieces. And they do these in a few different stones. I also couldn't resist putting on this chain, which I believe is the Axiom chain as well. But obviously you could wear those 3 pieces together separately. I've been wearing this one, I've been wearing this loads. I've been wearing my coins as well a lot. This is one of their little crystal pendants on, I can't remember exactly what the chain is called, but I will link everything down below for you guys. But yeah, it's so durable. I've worn this, I mean, I know you shouldn't do this, so don't take my advice here, but I've worn this on the beach, in the sea, in the pool, and it's looking amazing still. So really good, just like everyday jewellery. And I've also got in these gorgeous hoops, and they've also got some hair clips going on at the moment. I was unsure what to expect from these, but actually they're really like strong in the hair, and my hair's like really shiny and all hair clips fall out of it, but actually I'm really super impressed by the hold on these, and I think they look so nice. These are the spike ones. So I will leave a link to all the stuff down below, and also make sure you're following Misoma London. So guys, let us get into the tour, I think. So I'm not going to show you everything, but first up we have mine and Zach's bedroom. So this is a really gorgeous room. It's actually got a separate entrance from the rest of the bedrooms as well, so that's quite nice because it means we're a little bit tucked away. But we've also got our own little kitchen, so it's like a mini kind of apartment thingy really. Look at all these suitcases. I'm disgusted about how much luggage it takes me to travel these days. Got all of our shoes laid out. Yeah, we have just unpacked. But yeah, I love this kind of setup. It's so nice. Every time I see like a bed against a wall and then a bathroom or like a wardrobe behind it, I think it's so cool. And then if we come in here, this is our bathroom. We've got a nice, gorgeous big shower. Sorry about the wibbly light, tends to happen. I've set my makeup up here because it's got the mirror there. We've got a wardrobe in here. Everything's all tucked away, which is nice. And then we've got a loo in here, obviously. I don't know if you guys need to see that. There it is. I love driftwood furniture and stuff when you're in a beachy place. So that's our room. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this floor as well. Let's go out here and have a little explore. So this is a little bit of outside space, and then to the left here, that's all the downstairs bedrooms, which I won't show you guys because obviously people have their stuff in there. So we've got a ping pong table, cute. One thing I love about this villa is that there seems to be like loads of seating. So let's have a little look. So this view is incredible. Like, it gets better. So if we come up the stairs, okay, it looks like people have vacated their sunbeds, so we can safely have a look around. But yeah, look at this view. It's crazy. I'll film it again at sunset later because it's absolutely gorgeous. When the sun goes down, it goes down in here. And then all of these hills in the distance are like lit up pink. We've got a creech on a little day bed in the pool. Super pretty. Yeah, I can't stop looking at it, to be honest. And then this is the rest of the villa. So we've got a hammock over here, some more nice covered sofa space, and another little table over here. And then it's a bit of a maze, this villa. I still haven't got my bearings with it. But then look at this little cute little hanging chair. Another patio. I'm not sure where that leads to. And then this is where we had dinner last night, just under here. I don't know if we might move to the bigger table soon. So if you come up here, we've got a whole outside kitchen, which is amazing. Zach's super jealous of the outside kitchen. Another little bed. But yeah, gorgeous. There's actually a little kitten, and I think this water's out here for him. He comes at like dinner time. Yeah, look at all this gorgeous greenery. I'm in love with all the flowers and stuff. Right, let's go inside. So this is the living room. It's pretty cute. It's pretty huge, and I love that desk over there as well. And again, I love the floors. And this crazy chair, which I'm going to lie in a bit. And then down here, there's like a cinema room type thing, which I doubt I will get much use out of, but possibly Indy will. Lunchtime. Got some sea bass from last night. It was sea bass, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was very nice. So my loves, it is a little bit later in the day now. Ooh, can't speak. We had lunch. I've been shooting some bits and bobs all morning. I thought whilst my friends aren't here, sadly, I would just get some little bits of work done. And I've decided to officially conclude I have actually got a sinus infection. I gave it a Google because I was suspicious. And I actually have got one because I don't feel any better today than I did yesterday. Yesterday I felt better than I did the day before, but today I feel the same, which is annoying. Hopefully all the good Greek food, the sunshine, the sea breeze is going to sort me right out. I do not want to go in search of antibiotics. Anyway, so now I'm doing some editing. Yeah, I also really want to do some reading, but I'm just going to finish up these things and then I can truly relax and settle into my holiday. I have an enormous pile of books as well, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. smell some barbecue happening. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. We're actually going to the beach for the first time. Apparently we've got a little pathway down, but we haven't explored. This is cute.
Whoa.
Spoilers. Easier up now. As you may or may not be able to see, Zach and I just had to rescue some sunbeds from the rain. So I'm feeling a little bit damp, but I'm still going on my work. It's quite late. I'm still waiting on my friends to land as well. Hopefully it's going to be soonish. I'm very excited. And we've obviously got Brooklyn Nine-Nine on as well. Whilst I'm just doing some bits and pieces. Favourite ever. Good morning, guys. So I did not finish vlogging last night, classic me, because my friends arrived and I was so pleased to see them. They had a hell of a journey to get here. So I was obviously just chatting with them, making sure they had clothes and stuff because they haven't got their cases and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, just got up, had a bit of breakfast. But I did want to show you the books that I brought because I obviously did not show you closely yesterday. So obviously I've got a couple of big ones. We've got Ben Ockery's The Famished Road, Sarah Waters' Fingersmith, that's pretty famous I think. A few classics, we've got Vladimir Nabokov's, I think you said Penin, but I'm not sure, could definitely be wrong, and The Leopard as well. And then we've got Coetzee, who I've never read any books by. Yeah, we've got John Updike, which I know lots of you guys do not like John Updike. I sense that I might be the same, but we will see. And we've obviously also got A Necessary Evil. I read the first one in this series. It's like a detective series, so a bit more of an easy read. I didn't read yesterday at all. But anyway, you guys, I am gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.